What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a portfolio update. As you can see, we have pushed back up into the high 16,000s. It's great to see that the stocks that were once flat are now moving. And even Tesla is contributing to the upward momentum of all of or this portfolio in general. Let's talk about Microsoft really quickly. Microsoft was one of the losers in my portfolio before, and in fact is probably still the least performer of them all. But due to that contract that they got with Nuance, they're buying Nuance for $16 billion. You're seeing the stock push upward very dramatically. So congratulations to Microsoft. I consider Microsoft a stabilizer stock, meaning that if I don't have anywhere to put my money, I put it in Microsoft because it's a well performer, it has a great balance sheet, and it's just a great place to, lay your money at. The next stock, which is my best performer, is Google. Now, Google was once a bad performer. It just wasn't moving much until the earnings. So Google has strong earnings. And because of that, people placed their money in this stock as a stabilizer stock as well, because it performed so well during earnings. As you can see, we've beat earnings 3 times in a row. And the estimates were pushed up each time and they blew it out the park. So this is why the stock is hanging high as of today. I believe that they're going to beat the next earnings as well. Not sure if the price is going to be, pushed forward like it was the last 2 times, because we have not went through earnings yet and we're already pushing upward. So it may start reaching overvalued phase. But I do hope that Alphabet or the leaders in Alphabet consider a stock split. If they did, I would definitely be purchasing more. But as of now, it's just a great company to put your money in. Just look forward to earnings to see what's going to happen next. Next one, which is my most recent winner, is Facebook. Now, I didn't think Facebook was going to push up as much as it did lately. But as you can see, it's been dramatically pushed up since March 26th. And nothing in the news came out. It's just people recognize that Facebook is a great company and it was not doing much for the last year. So when money started to rotate out of industrials, maybe about a week ago, people wanted to put their money in names that are pretty flat. And Facebook was one of them. So Facebook is a good buy, in my opinion. The Oculus goggles, Instagram, Facebook website, they're all doing such a great job. Even the advertisement is pretty well with Facebook. So congratulations for people who have held on to Facebook. Next up, Tesla. I'm surprised that Tesla held above 700, and I'm glad I didn't sell out of of Tesla stock in my Roth IRA, because I believe it may start to hold above 700 from here on out. And it doesn't really have anything to do with the news, maybe about the news last week of their deliveries being higher than expected. And there's just a lag in the stock market. Now people are starting to dump money in there. So Tesla is my biggest holding, and it's not going to change ever. I think Tesla is an amazing company, and I'm just glad to see it holding above 700. The last two is Amazon, which I'm super surprised with Amazon that it's actually at 3,400, because this is indeed my least performer in all of my portfolios. And I've been telling people this all the time. It's because of this stock price. It's just too dang expensive, and this is why, as you can see, it's still pretty much flat. I think there is a buy rating up to, I think, 3,800, but it can't even hold 3,400. So that's kind of disappointing with the stock, even though they did extremely well the last 3 times. But because, Amazon is more of a stay-at-home stock, people want to get out. That's why it's my least performer is hanging really flat. But we'll see what happens in the future. This portfolio is supposed to be closed down, so I'm not buying or selling anything out of it. Last stock is Square. As you can see, Square is pushing up higher as well. And I believe this is due to the fact that we're reopening. People are using more of the Square app and also Bitcoin. As you can see, it's been very volatile. So this is, something that is a nice swing trade if you can catch it at 200. Not sure if it's going to go back there, but who knows? So this is my portfolio, guys. As you can see, we're doing a great job. We're almost recovered back to where we were in February.